Yeah, okay, Dave DECAUSSIN again. We're making a dozen lathes, and this is the turret for the lathe. We're doing the 12 holes, 1032 holes. That holds the tools in place. So we'll go ahead and start the program. Here, say start. And what you do is you go to tool 1. And I could put that tool change at the end of the program, but I just seem to put it at the first. I don't know. There's always things you can do to improve a program. So here we go. We're going to do center drills on for all 12 holes, and using a 4-inch rotary table, CNC rotary table that I converted to for my use. Rotates 9 degrees, and I back out of there after center drilling. You see I go to X0 and Y0, and I rotate so I don't have any collisions to worry about. And there's 5, 6. The reason I center drill is because the drill has to hang out there quarter ways to put it at the top of the part. This is a G81 drill cycle. Down about 180,000. That's the end of that tool. Center drill's done. Now we'll get the 161 diameter drill for the minor diameter for a 1032 tap. We're going to drill 12 holes. It's a little boring, but you get to see how the real CNC world works. This is my UMC-10. I use this machine a lot. I have that VMC-15, but this machine is just a lot more convenient. It's smaller, everything's more accessible. And of course, we have my CAT RE tool holders, which are superb. They're keyed, and with the spindle operation, the tool always goes back to the spindle at the same point, which is critical for holding close tolerance. You can't randomly put a tool in the spindle and expect to hold any kind of a tolerance at all. This machine has the Acme screws, but I've been working with Highwind, and I bought a 200 sets of screws for the machines that we're building, and they're high quality ball screws with minimal backlash. Very quiet, very smooth. And so when I get my first 3 in, I'm going to convert. I have 3 machines to convert. This one in Scottsdale, my one in Malibu, California, and then one that we've assembled in Simi Valley there, and so we'll put them all with the precision ball screws. This tap is a 1032 tap. It's kind of long, hangs out there, but the taps are very nice. The tap cycle basically is you enter the feed rate, you divide the 1 inch by the number of threads, which gives you the lead per turn, and multiply it times your RPM, in this case of 500 RPM I'm tapping at, so it gives a feed rate of 15 inches, 625. So you turn your spindle on, go down to your depth, MO4 spindle off, a little dwell, and then Z0, and then spindle forward again, MO3, and we'll get ready for the next tap toll. You just repeat that for each tap toll. And it holds them very accurately. You can put a plug gauge in there if you want. And that's the end of the drilling. Now we'll get the tap. So change the tap. Voila, the tap appears. Get in position. Z down, MO4 reverse, dwell, Z up. spin the forward, MO3, G1, Z down, reverse, Z up. You just repeat that for each tap toe. That's a very nice tap toe. We're at 5 minutes and 15 seconds at this point. So this would be about a 6.5 minute video, something like that. But I thought you'd be interested in seeing it. The roller table is a 4-inch diameter roller table I bought from China. It was only like, oh gosh, I don't know, $130 or something like that. And I just put my servo motor on there. And of course, flash cut, you can accommodate any ratio that you want. Like on this turret for the lathe, the ratio is like 1.35 to 1 or something like that. So it's a very flexible control. I don't know what hole this is here. Oh, this is probably hole number 9, I guess, something like that. We're at 6 minutes and 3 seconds, counting. One more set of holes, I believe. This is it here. Rapid travels between holes. Zip. This machine goes at 500 inches a minute, so it's a pretty quick little machine. All the moves are very short, so and very fast, so it takes a minimum amount of time. See, yep, that's the end of the program. So we got the housing all done. Yeah, and here's the housing. Well, I can't show it to you very easily. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again. Thank you. Bye.